Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of my Longchamp Le Pliage. This is in the size large, and I'll also be sharing what's in my bag, so if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So this gorgeous bag is in the color cognac, and it is the most beautiful everyday bag. I feel like this is the perfect mom bag, student bag, work bag, weekender bag. It's just all the things. It really is the best bag, especially for the quality and the price point. So Longchamp has been around for many, many years. This Le Pliage tote bag is one of their #1 sellers, and I can tell why. It's such a good bag. They have the small, a medium size, and this is the large. I just feel like this is the most versatile, but they're all amazing in their own right. And this bag retails for $155, which I feel like is so affordable, especially for the quality and this classic chic vibe that it gives off. So this bag in particular is in the green line. This is made out of the recycled nylon. So love that it is doing its part for our planet in recycling nylon. This is so smooth and sleek. The nylon is amazing. It does have the gorgeous embossed horse and jockey, which I am a huge fan of. It's so pretty. And then it also has the Russian cowhide leather, super pretty. And then it has embossed here on the front, the horse and jockey again. And then the handles are the perfect size. They are 9 inches, perfect for over the shoulder. It does not cut under your arm. I refuse to buy a bag that's any shorter than 9 inches. This is the perfect height for a over the shoulder tote bag. This is such a pretty one. I do love the silver hardware that this one comes with. It also has the most beautiful sort of zipper pull. Again, horse and jockey, so classy, so chic. This color cognac is ideal and perfect for fall and into winter, really an all year bag in my opinion, which is what I use it. I use it year round. Now I did add a little bit of a snazzy scarf here. This is a Louis Vuitton scarf that I picked up. I just felt like it added a little something extra. And sometimes I just need to be a little bit extra. If you know, you know. So if this is your type of video, please go ahead and like it. I'd love it if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Let's get into it. All right, so inside the bag, it has the most amazing kind of top leather tab. I just feel like this just adds a little element of chicness to the bag. It is so pretty. And then the zipper and zipper pull is stellar. The zippers on these bags are smooth butter and never have issues with them getting snagged or stuck. Such a good zipper. So in here, this is normally where I keep my cell phone, easy access. Sometimes I'll put my card holder in here if I know I'm going to need access to it quickly. And then inside this bag are all the things, literally all the things. This is everything but the kitchen sink kind of bag. Definitely, as I said before, a great student bag, mom bag, work bag, or weekender bag. So first I have my little book holder. I am about to start this new book. I went ahead and changed it out from the last book that I read, which was so, so good by Kristen Hanna. So I'm kind of on a Kristen Hanna roll. This one I haven't started yet, The Women, but I can't wait to check this out. And I wanted to make sure I had it in my bag so I can read it, you know, if I'm standing in line to vote later today, or if I'm taking my kids to the dentist office and I'm sitting in the waiting room for a while. I will pull out my book. I also just love to have this when the weather turns nice and cool. I love to sit on the deck outside, drink my coffee, and read a book. I also have my sunglass case in here. These are my Burberry sunglasses. And I also have this really cute sort of Coach pen highlighter, all the things sort of case here. I have my book light in case I need it in the car if we're traveling. My husband's driving and I'm trying to read at night. I love a good book light. And then I have some pens and highlighters in here. This is so cute. I love Coach items. They're so fun. All right, next I have my little day planner. Picked this up on Amazon. It's beautiful. It came in like a 4-pack. It also has some other really pretty ones, but it's just such a beautiful sort of, this is what I use for making notes. I also really like making lists. I'm a list girl. I love checking things off. So just a really beautiful way to have a gorgeous notebook in your bag. Such a conversation starter when I pull it out, let me tell you. I also have my day planner. I do keep most of my things on my phone calendar, but it's always nice to be able to pull this out and just look at it all at once. And it also allows my kids to add things they would like to add to this, and then I can update my phone at a later time. So next I have, since it's starting to be chilly, is this really pretty scarf that I love to keep with me in my bag for those really windy, chilly days where I'll have a coat, but I may need a little extra layer around my neck. It just makes you so much warmer and snuggly, and this is the most beautiful scarf. I did pick it up from Amazon, and I want to say it ran me about $15, $20. It's beautiful. Goes with every color coat, in my opinion. It's just great. So love to keep that with me. I also have my screen cleaner. This just cleans your cell phone, your iPad, just spray it. It's the neatest invention ever. You can actually just wipe it down with this really cool kind of microfiber cloth that's all the way around it. So such a good item to have in your bag. You never know when you're gonna need it. And then I also have this adorable Le Pliage coin pouch by Longchamp. Also one of my favorite items. I used to keep my car keys in here just so I could easily grab them because of the color of this cute little guy. My kids actually refer to this as the Mandalorian. Not sure why. I guess because it's cute. You can carry it around with you. It's green and it's super adorable. I don't know. But I do have like Band-Aids. I have some wet wipes in here. I have some Claritin for allergy days, as well as some Dramamine when my kids get car sick. I always like to have something for them. And then I also have these Mucinex sore throat cough drops, which are so ideal if you get a tickle in your throat or you feel like you might be coming down with something. They're so soothing. So there is that little cutie. And then I also have another Longchamp. This is the most adorable little cosmetics pouch. That's generally what I use it for, but you can use it for everything. I have seen some people create a strap on here, and they attach this cute little leather strap that matches this adorable little cosmetics pouch and turn it into a crossbody bag. So much cuteness. I love that. But I usually use it for a cosmetics pouch. And it's just the cutest. So, so cute. You can use it for all the things. It's such a versatile little cosmetics pouch. And inside I have a hand cream. It's that time of the year where you're gonna need some extra moisturizer. Here is my Clear Eyes, also really good for this time of year with allergies, fall allergies, spring allergies, all the things. This is one of my favorite powders that I use for touch-up if I get a little bit shiny. And then my all-time favorite perfume, this is Burberry Brit for Her. This is the travel size. I have a full size, and I always like to have this if I just need a little spritz here and there throughout the day. And then I also have one of my favorite lip glosses by Dior. This one is in the shade 721 Glitz. And it's the perfect shade for fall, in my opinion. So gorgeous. I also have this really cute Coach mirror. Always nice for touch-ups and just to check your teeth, that sort of thing. Really cute mirror. And next I have two of the YSL lipsticks. These are such amazing colors. I absolutely love their creamy formula. This is in the shade 150. Let me just show you what it looks like in case you're interested. So creamy, so beautiful. It has the most amazing slip to the lips. So in the shade 13, I have this one, and Also creamy, shiny, beautiful, amazing. Next, I have the Listerine Cool Mint. This is just a spray to really just freshen your breath. Love this. It's so refreshing. And then I also have my phone charger. Never leave home without this. I always regret it when I do. And then I have my full-size Clements wallet. This is in the beautiful monogram print by Louis Vuitton, and it's just stunning. I use it all the time. It's the perfect size to hold all the things, and it's super perfect for fall, in my opinion. And then, so one of my favorite hand sanitizers by Touchland, this is the Applicious. Again, perfect for fall with all the apple orchards, the apple cider. So fresh, so fresh. So that was everything in the bag. Now I have this great organizer I picked up from the Amazon, and it's the perfect color for fall. Again, organizers that will fit the large Les Pliages Longchamp bag, and this one seemed to be the perfect one for me. It is the most beautiful fit and bag. So really gorgeous. I love to have an organizer, not only for organization purposes, but also to keep my bag nice and clean. And as I said earlier, love the side pocket for my phone or easy access to a credit card. And like I said, you really just can't go wrong with a Longchamp Les Pliages tote bag. They're super elegant, super chic. I absolutely love the recycled nylon. I love the Russian cowhide leather. They're amazing bags. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review as well as what's in my bag video. This Longchamp Les Pliages large tote bag has been around for many years. It continues to be a wow factor. It is so stunning and it's such a stellar bag. I highly recommend it, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to see you in my next video, and until next time, bye friends.